Hey YouTube, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my most recent pickup. Yes, it is another KAWS sculpture, but no, you haven't seen this before on my channel, so let's check it out. I've already opened up this box for video purposes, and on the inside is the sculpture with typical KAWS packaging. Bubble wrap for some protection, and then the sculpture itself inside. Nothing else to it. No purchase receipt, no packaging slips, no nothing, just the sculpture. Let's talk a little bit about the packaging. A lot of you have been asking me and telling me, wow, you pay $200-300 for these sculptures and they come in a plastic bag? And I'm always like, yeah, it's not the best, but what matters is what's on the inside. So yeah, the packaging isn't good at all. I mean, it does the job, don't get me wrong. It prevents the toy from getting damaged, or the sculpture I should say. And it does the job, so I don't really care. I don't display it in the box. I take it out and I display it by itself, so that doesn't really matter to me, but to some people I guess it does. On the back here you can tell it's an original KAWS sketch of the companion. It says on top here, KAWS Open Edition Flayed companion, which is the name of the sculpture, or the I guess the sculpture. Warning on the bottom. On the back of these, I always like to keep these because on the bottom corner you have your sticker of authenticity, if that means anything to anybody. I don't know, I always like to keep it just because. Let's open it up and check it out, guys. So here's the sculpture itself in this plastic casing. I always like to keep this plastic casing just in case I were ever to move from my house to a different location or anything like that. I could always pack up all my sculptures, put them in the original box, and I know that they would be protected and they wouldn't get damaged in transit. So let's open this bad boy up. Just plastic casing, and here's the sculpture. Wow, this guy is pretty sweet. The color on it is the blush colorway, and it is cut open on one half, which is the Flayed edition. That's what this guy is. This edition was actually released, it was originally released in 2016, as you can tell here on the markings at the bottom of the feet. It says KAWS Open Edition, KAWS 16 Open Edition, Medicom Toy China. That's the company that makes them. Obviously, the artist that designs these is Brian Donnelly. His street name is KAWS. Very, very well-known artist, world-renowned. His works are everywhere in the most exclusive museums throughout the world, and this guy is just awesome. I'm just now adding this guy to the collection. I was lucky enough to get it because it restocked. It's not very common for his works to get a restock, especially not on his website. But that was the case this year, 2019, on Valentine's Day. And I don't know if Valentine's Day has anything to do with the pink color or not, but that's when it was released this year, February 14th of 2019, and I was lucky enough to get it. I was missing this from my collection. I was actually planning on buying this piece from StockX, secondary market, and I was going to have to pay more, but I paid retail for it because it got restocked on the artist's website, so that's good. As you can see, it has plastic here on the hands and on the waist, and my assumption is that it's to protect the sculpture itself from scratching, but let's take these off and take a better look at it. This guy's pretty awesome. It's full of detail. Like, the amount of detail that this thing has is incredible. It's probably one of the reasons that got me to start liking these pieces, was the amount of detail. Check out the organs. I mean, the eyes, the brain, everything is just full of detail and color. It looks so realistic. You can see it has the KAWS X's on the hands, on the feet, and you can see all of its muscles, all different kinds of colors, red, pink hues. It just looks awesome. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. And there's nothing more to this guy but just the amount of detail and then just displaying it. I'm gonna put this next to all my other collection, and hopefully I can get some cases for these. Like I'm thinking of getting like acrylic cases to go over top of these, kind of how they display them at museums, only it wouldn't be glass, it would just be plexiglass or some sort of plastic casing to go over top of this, just to make it look cooler. I don't know. What do you guys think? How do you display your KAWS, and what do you think I should do with mine? Thank you guys for watching these videos. My channel is slowly starting to grow, and it's all thanks to you guys for leaving comments and leaving likes and subscribing to my channel. So I appreciate you guys doing that. If you're a first time watching my video, go check out my channel, give it some love, and again, thank you so much for watching. I will be making more videos. I will be getting more companions. I will be getting more KAWS sculptures and other things. So stay tuned for what's coming on my channel. And again, thank you for watching.